Hi there, it's Mark Sebastian, founder of Option Pit, and this is the Vol Report reminder, the stock and option volatility report reminder for educational purpose only. Investment price options carry risk. Hey, you know what? Alicia's been off this week, so I've not gotten a chance to take down our holiday offer that we put out. So she's going to be back Monday. I would take advantage of it if you're planning on it. You could just literally just go to our front page and click on the offer. Speaking offers, quite the day today. I want to point out a couple things. Futures are still backward, but the cash index is trading below the futures, which it means that we've got a little bit of a funky hitch in how term structure looks, which tends to be the beginning of the end for high periods of volatility. Now, I'm not saying that this is, surefire, we're safe and sound and all is going to be well. But, for people that are looking for market-like green shoots, the two things I would point out is the relatively low VIX number, and that VIX cash is trading below the front month future, and then really that the curve itself has really flattened up. Jan is trading above Feb, and Feb above April, and yada yada yada, but by less than a point now. That term structure has really flattened. Then we can see volatility is gotten pretty flat today. So this is a technical green shoot, I would say. We've shot right back to 2,500. I think that's going to be an interesting level to keep an eye on. We're up across the board. Why? Well, we had great non-farm news, and we have some of the techniques bouncing. Look, Intel's up, nicely up. Netflix is nicely up. And even Apple, which got just absolutely throttled at the end of the day yesterday, is back above 145. It's kind of where it was trading right before the market kind of melted the final 30 points. And again, in Apple, I have to wonder whether most of the selling is done. Look at VIX APL. This is the VIX of Apple. I will look at it on LiveVol. There's Apple. Down to 40. And if I look at this on a stock chart, you can see, the real peak panic in Apple was, a while ago. We didn't even really see a lot of panic yesterday. We're right back to pre-announcement levels of volatility. And volatility is, in fact, sinking. So I'm looking at an Apple level that's probably starting to level off. And I'm looking at, interesting levels in the market where we have to wonder, have we kind of started to floor out? Watch that VIX, watch that VXX, that VIX future, that level. That's going to be really important. Then looking at our individual ETFs, really up across the board. The laggards are the ones you'd expect. It's nice to see the financials moving as strongly as kind of the rest of the market. That's been a soft spot. I would point out that, we are seeing a nice move in bond yield. So TLT is off. You have to wonder how much more is it going to move. And, that's really kind of where we are across the board. I think today we are likely to pick up everything we gave away yesterday. And who knows, maybe more. I'm going to be, if we stay, if futures really flatten up, the next week or two could be extremely bullish. So that's something to just keep an eye on and be aware of. All right, folks, I hope you have a great day. and a great weekend. I will talk to you soon. If you got questions, email me, mark@optionpit.com. Call me 888-TRADE-01. In addition, next Thursday, if you're local to Chicago or you're going to be in town, I am hosting a event at SIBO on Thursday where I'm going to basically use Live Vol and our new Edge Hunter program, kind of show you guys how we find trades. Andrew T. Giovinazzi will also be joining me. All right, everybody, I hope you have a great day. Talk to you soon.